everybody, this is Kay, the Avon mom of 7. Thanks for watching. Doing a quick demonstration today of the Homestar Glass Cleaner. Very excited about this. As you can see in the package, the actual liquid bottle solution comes separate from the pump, but that's okay. And this blue towel here is also an Avon product as well on my website. This cloth is extremely amazing. As you can see, I did end up getting 2 of these. I got the heavy duty cleaning wipes that I use daily at home, as well as the new ones that I just noticed. They have some available for your stove. So we know cooking sometimes can leave some crazy stains on those stoves. So I'm really excited about trying those. Anyway, here we go. So first, I just went on ahead, got in front of my glass door. As you can tell, this is the back door to my patio. Decided to go ahead and just spray freely. I love how it sprays, just really kind of perfectly. And I was very excited about getting started with wiping it. I had so many just paw prints and everything from my dogs. We have 2 dogs, Gracie and Bullet, and they sure do at times leave a mess when they're ready to come inside. But do you see the look on my face? I was so excited about this thing. Look, no ammonia smell, does not smell strong. Wow, it just does such a great job. So I decided to go on the outside of my door to wipe there as well. Can't forget that, because that is where most of the mess comes from with my dogs. And we have a little visitor here. CJ decided to walk up as my one of my oldest daughters, Karina, was taping this for me. Thanks, Karina. And CJ is so cute. But look at this. I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed with how it wipes. I don't see smears at all. I mean, it just did it so perfectly. Again, no harsh chemicals, no crazy ammonia smell. I'm happy. Hey guys, this is Kay, the Avon mom of 7. I just wanted to stop in real quickly before my husband interrupt me again and say thank you for all of your support. Thank you so much for watching all of my videos. Wow, I'm just really amazed by the growth that I've experienced. I know there's a lot of YouTube channels that are out there and you could be watching other things, but wow, you took a couple of minutes to watch something that I produced and that I put out there, and I just truly do appreciate it. So thank you so much. I'm trying really hard to stay really true to sharing my honest reviews and opinions about the Avon products that I do sell. And I just want to say this as well too. I mean, if you see any of these products that you are interested in, I'll have all the links in the description box. So all you have to do is just click and it'll take you right to it. So you can read more about it, check out some other reviews about them, and go ahead on and purchase if you're interested. So, and if you do purchase, it is shipped directly to you. So it doesn't have to come through me or through anybody else, but it actually just goes straight to Avon's distribution center. It'll be sent straight over to you. So I do appreciate all of your support. I'm very excited about this channel, about growing it. I'll continue to do other reviews as well as share some daily life of Avon Mama 7 with a big family of 7 kids, 2 dogs, and a silly husband who's sitting next to me. And I'm really excited about doing that. So again, I thank you so much for your support. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and definitely click that bell so you can get notifications. I'm trying to put out videos, at least a few during the week. Of course, you know, got a really crazy life here, so I'm trying my best to stay true to that. But in the meantime, thank you, and have a wonderful day.